Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. In the last lesson, we discussed extensively about al-mubtada, where I told you that al-mubtada is the noun. And this is the noun which begins a sentence. And we also discussed about al-khabar. We know when we have al-mubtada, the next thing is al-khabar. Al-mubtada is the noun which begins a sentence, while al-khabaru is the predicate. And just like in the English language, the predicate gives us more information about the noun. And I give you a lot of examples about mubtada and also al-khabar. For example, I said Muhammadun talibun. Muhammad is a student. The word Muhammad, you would know generally that this is a noun, and this is ismul alam, which we call a proper noun, name of a person whom we know. So Muhammadun, that is the noun. And since we are beginning this sentence or this statement with it, it becomes the mubtada, which is the nominal noun. Then we have talibun, which means student. The word student here is only giving us more information about Muhammad. So because if I had said Muhammadun, you would ask, who is Muhammad? Where is Muhammad? What happened to Muhammad? Now that I'm giving you talibun, this simply describes and gives you more information about Muhammad. And this is the work of predicate khabar. So Muhammadun talibun, Muhammad is a student. And during our discussions, we also mentioned a lot of rulings guiding both the mubtada and the khabar. An example of this is when we talk about the ta'riful mubtada wa tankiru. That is the definite pattern of mubtada and also the indefinite. When the mubtada should come as a definite noun or an indefinite noun. We also discussed when the mubtada should come before the khabar or the khabar coming before the mubtada. That is the tartibul mubtada wal khabar, the arrangement, the order in which, the sequence in which they appear. We also discussed that the mubtada and the khabar, they must have concord. They must come to agreement in terms of the ta'rif, that is the definiteness. We also discussed about the number, that when the mubtada is a singular mubtada, the khabar should be singular. When the mubtada is dual, the khabar should be dual. When the mubtada is jama'u, plural, the khabar should also be jama'u. An example of this, I will simply say Muhammadun talibun. Muhammad is a student. Muhammad is singular here. The khabar predicate is also coming in the singular form. But when I say Muhammadun wa Aliyun, Muhammad and Ali, I will simply say talibani. They both are students. When I say Muhammadun wa Aliyun wa Shakirun, Muhammad, Ali, and Shakir, the three of them, we say Tulabun, they are students. We also discussed that the mubtada and the khabar must agree in gender. If the mubtada is in the masculine gender, the khabar, the predicate, should also be in the masculine gender. And if otherwise, the predicate should be otherwise. An example, I will say Aliyun Zakiyun. Ali is clever. But when I say Fatima, I will say Fatima too. Zakiyatun, Fatima is a clever woman. This is because Ali is a masculine noun and the predicate should be masculine. And when we brought Fatima as a feminine noun, the predicate becomes Zakiyatun. And this, we discussed it extensively. You can go back to the video and watch it in order to have a good grasp of the topic. Today, we want to summarize the whole of the discussions which we had previously, and we have just few discussion here today, very small, about the summarization of these two important topics, al-mubtada wal khabar. And we are still using our book Durusul Lughatil Arabiyyah lighayrina takina biha, also known as the Madeenah Arabic Course. For those of us who have not purchase the copy, I encourage you to move on to a bookstore to get your copy, or you can move to the description box to click on the link there to purchase yours from Amazon with my Amazon affiliate link. With that, we can get a little commission if you make a payment, inshallah. So let's dive into the topic. We have ba'du ahwal al-mubtada wal khabar, some conditions of mubtada and also al-khabar, which is the predicate. Since we've discussed a lot of conditions, to begin with, we have أحوال المبتدأ, the conditions of المبتدأ. Here we have al-mubtada, then here we have ma'rifatun wa nakira. One mubtada comes as a definite or indefinite. We have muqaddamun wa muakharun. When mubtada should be delayed, should come further, or it should be delayed. And lastly, sababu taqaddumihi aw ta'khurihi, the reason behind the fronting of the mubtada or the delayance of the mubtada. Number one, we have Allahu Ghafurun. Allah is all forgiving. Now, the word Allah here, we can see it is ma'rifah. This is a definite noun, because when we mention Allah, we all know Allah. Allah is the Lord, the creator, the sustainer, the cherisher, the nourisher. We know him. So Allah, that is a definite noun. And it is the mubtada. Is it muqaddamun or muakharun? Is it coming before the predicate or after? Muqaddamun, because it is coming before the predicate, which is ghafurun. Then what is the reason behind the sababu taqaddumihi? It is huwa al-aslu. This is the origin. All mubtada'at should come before the predicates, and this is how it comes originally, except for some cases. Number two, we have ajibun kalamu. His speech is amazing. No doubt that kalamuhu here is coming as the mubtada, but ajibun is the predicate. However, the word ajibun is now coming before the kalamu. So how do you explain this? Let's move further. First, kalamuhu, this is ma'rifah, a definite noun. Because you say kalamuhu, his word. This is mudafun ilayhi. If I said kitabun, a book, this is indefinite. The moment I say his book, kitabuhu, it becomes definite. His book, it becomes definite. So, but the kalamuhu, is it muqaddamun or muakharun? It is muakharun because it comes after the predicate. Meanwhile, it should have come before the predicate. What is the reason? Hadha jaizun. This is allowed. The only reason why we did it this way is because it is allowed. If not, I could simply say kalamuhu ajibun. His speech is amazing. But I can choose to say ajibun kalamuhu. Amazing is his speech. Let's continue. Number three, we have indaka sayyaratun. You have a car. Indaka sayyaratun, you have a car. The word sayyaratun here, no doubt, is the mubtada, is the noun. However, this noun here is also delayed, and this is a nakira, an indefinite noun, and it is coming after the what? MashaAllah, after the khabar, the predicate. The predicate here, likawni mutanakiratun والخبر شبه الجملة. Why is the noun, the mubtada, delayed, coming after the khabar? This is because the mubtada is indefinite. When a mubtada is indefinite, it comes what? After the predicate. And also because the predicate is shibhul jumla. What is shibhul jumla? The like of a sentence, but not a sentence. And we have said shibhul jumla means two things. Sentences which look like sentences, but they are not sentences originally. There are two types. The first is jarun majrur. That is a preposition and the noun coming after it, or what is it called, or zarfun, that is an adverb, and the word inda is adverb. So indaka sayyaratun, you have a car. Number four, we have afillahi shakkun. Is there doubt in Allah? Afillahi shakkun, is there doubt in Allah? Do you know that the word shakkun here is the mubtada? That is shakun, doubt is the word here, because it is the shakun that we're discussing about. So, but shakun here is nakira, that is indefinite, muakharun, and it is coming later. Why? Likawni al-mubtada nakiratun والخبر شبه الجملة. This is because the mubtada, which is shakun, it is delayed, number one, and also it is indefinite, and also it is shibhul jumla, the like of a sentence, because the khabar is the like of a sentence, which means the khabar is fi lahi, which is in Allah. That is a preposition plus the noun coming after it. Number six, we have man anta, who are you? Man anta, who are you? So what is the mubtada? The mubtada is the word anta. Anta man, you are who? Anta man. But we are saying man anta, who are you? So the word anta Is it a definite noun or an indefinite? Of course, it is definite. When I say you, that is definite. You, I can say you, it is definite. So, mu'akharun, however, it is delayed. It's coming later. Why? لكون الخبر is مستفهام. Because the khabar is مستفهام. An interrogative noun, which is man. Can you see? So that's why I say man anta. Lastly, we have wa anta sumu khairul lakum. That you fast is better for you. So ma'rifatun li anna taqdira siyamukum khairul lakum. The noun here, the mubtada here is ma'rifa. It is what? Definite. This is because there is a hidden word there, which is siyamukum khairul lakum. Your fasting is better for you. Recall that we have discussed that wa anta sumu is the same thing with what? Siyamukum. That you fast. It's same thing with siyamukum, your fast. Wa anta sumu khairul lakum. That you fast is better for you. We can also say siyamukum khairul lakum, and your fasting is better for you. So muqaddamu huwa al-aslu, and this is the origin. MashaAllah. Now, with these basics, we can now move on to the أحوال الخبر, which is the conditions of the khabar, condition of the predicates. Al-khabaru, now here we're going to be discussing the type of khabar. Is it mufrad? Is it a singular khabar? Is it jumla, a sentence, or shibhu jumla, complete sentence, a lack of a sentence? Number one, we have ad-dinu yusrun. The religion is ease. What is the khabar? The word khabar here is yusrun, and we say it is what? Mufrad, it is single. Number two, we have al-mudarrisu inda al-mudiri. The teacher is with the principal. What is the khabar here? The khabar here is inda, and inda is what? Shibhul jumla, that is dharfun, an adverb. Number three, we have at-tullabu fil mala'abi. The students are in the field. So the word fil mala'abi is the word, the predicate. And this is also shibhul jumla, al-jarru wal-majrur. That is the preposition and also the noun. Number four, we have an-niyyatu mahalluha al-qalbu. The intention, the place of intention is the heart. The intention has a space in the heart. So this is what jumlatun ismiyatun, a nominal noun. Jumla mahalluha al-qalbu, jumlatun ismiyah. Lastly, we have al-Islamu yajubbu ma kana qabla. Islam erases that which was before it. So jumlatun fa'iliyya yajubbu ma kana qablahu. This is a verbal sentence, and this is a predicate. With this, we come to the end of the summary of al-mubtada wal-khabar. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to better our understanding. Just as said, do not forget to click the description box to get the link over there, or you can click above to get the link to download this book from Amazon. Until we meet again, jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum.